What's up guys, this is Jinsam. Like I said last time, we're gonna practice making sentences with go, but today we're gonna study very important preposition to. First of all, I should tell you one more time the structure of Korean sentence. So what first? Subject first, and then objective, and then verb. I in school and go, right? But I told you we're gonna study to today. Where we have to put to is just here, okay? Which means place and to, okay? So let's do it. 나는 학교 to 에 or 로. I write down here already, right? 가요. Got it? So check out here. If I go toilet 에 가요. If you go to hospital 에 가요. And then if you go to Korea 에 가요. If you go to Japan 에 가요. You understand? Just places plus to. That's it. Next time we're gonna make many different sentences with many different places, so you can understand for sure. I will explain this one more time, and also you can practice by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.